Today, we're talking about something most people think they understand, but very few actually practice: the ability to take control of your future. What makes this topic so important right now?
It's important because people are waking up to a simple truth. Your future isn't shaped by luck or miracles. It's shaped by your daily actions, your habits, and your discipline. And Jack Ma is one of the strongest examples of this mindset.
Absolutely. Jack Ma faced rejection after rejection. KFC rejected him, Harvard rejected him, even local jobs rejected him. But what kept him moving forward?
What kept him moving was clarity. He always knew what he wanted to build. Even when nobody believed in his ideas, he kept improving, learning, and showing up every day. That level of clarity is rare, but powerful.
Let's talk about routines. People want success, but they hate discipline. Why is daily routine so important for building the future you want?
Because routines create momentum. Jack Ma didn't build Alibaba by waiting for the perfect moment. He built it by taking imperfect daily actions. Small steps repeated every day turn into massive results.
Many listeners feel stuck because they can't see immediate progress. What would Jack Ma say to them?
He would say, "Don't give up too early." He always said, "Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." Most people never reach the sunshine because they quit on the hard days.
That's powerful. Let's break it down for the audience. What are the 3 daily actions someone must take to control their future?
Number 1, clarity. Know your direction. Number 2, discipline. Show up no matter how you feel. Number 3, courage. Keep moving even when results are slow or when people doubt you.
So, in simple words, your future is built quietly, not loudly.
Exactly. The world sees your success, but never your late nights, your failures, or your sacrifices. Your future is created when nobody is watching.
Before we wrap up, what final message would you give to anyone listening who feels lost or unsure about their future?
Start today. Start small. Start with one habit, one decision, one step. Don't wait for the perfect time because it doesn't exist. If you control your day, you will control your future.
Amazing insights. Remember, everyone, Jack Ma didn't succeed because he was lucky. He succeeded because he stayed consistent, disciplined, and courageous. And you can do the same.